এই ভিডিওରେ ଆମେ କେତେଟା ପ୍ରୋफेशन ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବା ବା ଜବ୍ जोटाକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଆମେ ବୃତ୍ତି ବୋଲି କହିପାରିବା। Below we have a list of different professions and an explanation of what each person does in that profession. से profession रे जने व्यक्ति कौन करे सेटा भी हमें जानिबा। Accountant, a person that works with the money and accounts of a company is called accountant. Actor or actress, a person that acts in a play or a movie. Architect, a person that designs building and houses. Astronomer, a person who studies the stars and the universe. Author, they write books or novels. Baker, they make bread and cakes and normally works in a bakery. Bricklayer, a person that helps to build houses using bricks. Bus driver, a person that drives buses. Butcher, a person that works with meat. They cut the meat and sell it in their shop. Carpenter, a person that makes things from wood including houses and furniture. Chef or cook, a person that prepare food for others, often in a restaurant or cafe. Restaurant किंबा cafe रे अन्य मानक ପାଇଁ जे रोषेई करंती. Cleaner, a person that cleans or tidies an area or place, such as in an office हरिकारे जे सब क्लीन करंती सफा करंती. Dentist, a person that can fix problems you have with your teeth. Designer, a person who has the job of designing things. Doctor, a person you go to see when you are ill, you have some type of health problem. Dustman or refuse collector, अलिया उठाली जहाँ को हमें कहता हूँ, a person that collects trash or rubbish from bins in the street. Electrician, a person that works with electric circuits. Engineer, a person who develops solutions to technical problems. They sometimes design, build or maintain engines, machines, structures or public works. Factory worker, a person that works in a factory. Farmer, a person that works on a farm usually with animals. Fireman or firefighter, a person that puts out fires. Put out माने एठी निया लिभाइबा हला. Fisherman, a person that catches fish. Florist, a person that works with flowers. Gardener, a person that keeps gardens clean and tidy. They take care of the plants in the garden. Hairdresser, they cut your hair or give it in a new style. गोटे नुआ स्टाइल हेयर को काटी थांती. Journalist, a person that makes new reports in writing or through television. न्यूज़ ପାଇଁ के रिपोर्ट करि थांती. Judge, a qualified person that decides cases in a law court. Lawyer, a person that defends people in court and gives legal advice. Lecturer, a person that gives lecture usually in a university. Librarian, a person that works in a library. Lifeguard, a person that saves lives where people swim. माने जोटी पहरुथुला बेले लोक जदि बुड़ी जाती माने लाइफगार्ड से मानको रक्षा करती. Mechanic, a person that repairs machines, especially car motors. Model, a person that works in fashion, modeling clothes and accessories. विभिन्न clothes accessories पिंधिकी से माने मॉडल भाबरे थांती. यूजुअली अट्रैक्टिव है माने नहीं कि. न्यूज़ रीडर, a person that reads the news normally on television. Nurse, a person ट्रेनिंग नहीं थांती से माने टू हेल्प ए डॉक्टर लुक आफ्टर द सिक और इंज्योर्ड. लुक आफ्टर माने एठी केयर नेबा कहारो ना सिक पीपल करो आउ इंज्योर्ड पीपल करो. रोगी आउ इंज्योर्ड जो माने ही थांती से मानकर केयर नहीं थांती. ऑप्टिशियन, a person that checks your eyes and try and collect any problems with your sight माने दृष्टि शक्ति को से परीक्षा करिथांती. Painter, a person that paints pictures or the interior and the exterior of building रो भीतर कड़ interior आउ exterior बाहर कड़ से माने पेंटिंग करिथांती. Pharmacist, a qualified person that works with and dispenses medicines से माने क्वालिफाइड पर्सन एसे काम करिथांती एवं मेडिसिन से डिस्पेंस करिथांती. फोटोग्राफर, ए पर्सन दैट टेक्स फोटोज. Pilot, a person who flies a plane. Plumber, a person that repairs your water systems or pipes. Politician, a person who works in politics. Policeman or a policewoman, a member of police force. दे प्रिभेंट क्राइम्स जो मैंने कि क्राइम को प्रिभेंट करी थांती. पोस्टमैन, ए पर्सन दैट डेलीवर्स मेल टू योर हाउस. रियल इस्टेट एजेंट, ए पर्सन दैट मेक्स मनी फ्रॉम सेलिंग लैंड फॉर डेवलपमेंट. रिसेप्शनिस्ट, ए पर्सन दैट इज एट द रिसेप्शन और एंट्रांस ऑफ ए कंपनी रो एंट्रांस रे से माने बसी थांती नहीं कि रिसेप्शनिस्ट. साइंटिस्ट, a person that works in the science industry, they do many experiments. Secretary, a person employed in an office who types letters, keeps records, etc. Shop assistant, shop माने दुकान, shop assistant, a person that works in a shop or store selling products. Soldier, a person who works for the army. Tailor, a person that makes clothes for others, many times producing exclusive items of clothing. Taxi driver, a person who drives a taxi. Teacher, a person that passes knowledge to students usually at school. Translator, a person that translates from one language to another. Traffic warden, a person that patrols areas to check that people do not park in the wrong place माने wrong place रे गाड़ी पार्किंग हरिका करिसंती ना नहीं माने देखि थांती माने लोक माने माने भूल जगह रे पार्किंग करिसंती ना नहीं ए ट्रैफिक वार्डन देखि थांती. तापरे ट्रैवल एजेंट, ए पर्सन दैट ऑर्गेनाइज एंड सेल्स हॉलिडेज एंड फ्लाइट्स फॉर अदर्स हॉलिडे रे फ्लाइट हरिका बुकिंग करबा ए सब काम करिथांती ट्रैवल एजेंट. तापर वेटेनरी डॉक्टर एमानंको आमे पशु डाक्तर बोली मध्ये कही शॉर्टली वेट बोली कहा जाए. ए क्वालिफाइड पर्सन दैट लुक्स आफ्टर सिक एनिमल को एमाने टेक लुक आफ्टर करिथांती देखिथांती सेमानको. वेटर और वेट्रेस अपोजिट जेंडर लिखाई मेल आउ फीमेल. ए पर्सन दैट वर्क्स इन ए फूड आउटलेट लुकिंग आफ्टर कस्टमर्स एंड सर्विंग फूड. Window cleaner, a person that cleans windows normally and the windows of big building बड़ बड़ बिल्डिंग मानक विंडो सफा करि थांती.